Ever wondered what happens to your body when you drink ginger tea regularly? From the ancient spice roots to the modern kitchen, ginger has long been recognized for its piquant flavor and aroma. But beyond its culinary prowess, this root also boasts an impressive resume of health benefits, especially when brewed into a warming cup of tea. Ginger tea, a staple in traditional medicine, has been sipped for centuries across the globe. This tantalizing brew is not just a comfort drink for chilly days, it's also a potent elixir that can enhance your health and wellness in myriad ways. Let's begin by talking about digestion, a bodily function that ginger tea directly influences. This warming beverage is known to aid digestion, helping to break down food and absorb nutrients more efficiently. It's like having a little helper in your gut, ensuring everything runs smoothly. But that's not all. Ginger tea is also a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Inflammation is a natural response of the body to injury or illness, but when it becomes chronic, it can lead to serious health conditions. Regular consumption of ginger tea can help reduce inflammation, thanks to its rich content of gingerol, a bioactive compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. And let's not forget about nausea. Whether it's morning sickness, motion sickness, or post-surgery nausea, ginger tea can be your shield. This spiced brew has been used for millennia to combat nausea and vomiting, providing much-needed relief when you're feeling under the weather. But ginger tea is more than just a sum of these benefits. It's a holistic wellness drink, working its magic on multiple fronts to promote overall health. It's like a symphony orchestra, each benefit playing its part, yet together creating a harmonious melody of well-being. Now that we know ginger tea isn't just a tasty beverage, let's delve into the specifics of these benefits. First off, let's talk about how ginger tea aids digestion. Ginger is a powerhouse when it comes to promoting healthy digestion. It works by breaking down food more efficiently, which can help to reduce bloating and discomfort after meals. Imagine your digestive system as a busy restaurant kitchen, with food coming in and needing to be processed quickly. Ginger acts like a top-notch chef, skillfully managing the kitchen and ensuring everything runs smoothly. Now, let's delve a bit deeper into the science behind this. Ginger contains active compounds such as gingerols and shogols. These compounds stimulate digestive enzymes, which help speed up the digestion process. Think of these enzymes as the sous chefs, diligently chopping and preparing the food for our top-notch chef to cook. They make the whole operation more efficient, ensuring your meals are processed smoothly and swiftly. So, a cup of ginger tea can make your meals more enjoyable and less stressful for your stomach. Now let's move on to another impressive benefit of ginger tea, its ability to reduce inflammation. Ginger tea isn't just a comforting beverage to sip on a chilly day, it's also a potent weapon in the fight against inflammation. The root of the ginger plant has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory properties, and modern science backs up these age-old claims. So, what makes ginger such a powerful ally against inflammation? The answer lies in its rich array of bioactive compounds, with the star of the show being gingerol. Gingerol is the main active component in ginger, and it's been extensively studied for its health benefits. When you consume gingerol, it interacts with certain biological pathways in your body. These pathways are the same ones targeted by anti-inflammatory drugs known as NSAIDs. But unlike these medications, which can have unwanted side effects, ginger offers a natural, side effect-free alternative. Gingerol's anti-inflammatory action can be particularly beneficial for people living with chronic inflammatory conditions, such as arthritis. By reducing inflammation, ginger can help alleviate the pain and stiffness that come with these conditions, but the benefits don't stop there. Inflammation is a common response by the body to injury or illness. It's part of the body's healing process, but sometimes it can get out of hand and lead to further damage. This is where ginger comes in. By keeping inflammation in check, ginger can help your body heal more effectively. And the best part? Getting these benefits is as easy as brewing a cup of ginger tea. Simply steep some fresh ginger root in boiling water, add a bit of honey or lemon for taste, and voila, you have yourself a delicious anti-inflammatory elixir. So the next time you're feeling a bit under the weather or your joints are giving you a hard time, why not reach for a cup of ginger tea? It's not just a cozy beverage, but a natural, potent remedy packed with anti-inflammatory goodness. Suffering from inflammation? A cup of ginger tea might just be the soothing remedy you need. Ever felt queasy while traveling? Ginger tea could be your solution. Ginger, a potent spice treasured for its medicinal properties, is remarkably effective in battling nausea. The key lies in its active ingredients. gingerols, and shogols, which interact with your nervous system and stomach, helping to quell queasiness. What's more, ginger tea isn't just a potent remedy for motion sickness. Its benefits extend to other forms of nausea as well. Pregnant women often find relief from morning sickness with a warm cup of ginger tea. Even patients going through chemotherapy have reported reduced nausea after consuming this soothing brew. Now, that's not to say ginger tea is a magic bullet. Everyone's body is different, but the evidence is compelling. Numerous studies have highlighted ginger's potential in reducing nausea. So next time you feel a wave of nausea coming on, remember that ginger tea could be your ticket to relief. So, we've seen how ginger tea can help with digestion, reduce inflammation, and combat nausea. Let's take a brief look back at what we've discussed. We started by exploring the power of ginger tea. It's not just a delicious warm beverage. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. It's packed with compounds like gingerols and shogols, which have been linked to numerous health benefits. We discovered how ginger tea can work wonders for your digestion. It helps your body break down food more efficiently and can reduce bloating and discomfort. This is all thanks to the gingerol compounds, which stimulate the stomach to produce more digestive juices. We also examined how ginger tea can help in fighting inflammation. Chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health problems, from heart disease to arthritis. But ginger tea, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, can help keep inflammation in check. Then, we moved on to how ginger tea can be your shield against nausea. Whether it's morning sickness, motion sickness, or side effects from medication, a cup of ginger tea can provide soothing relief. But what's truly remarkable is how easy it is to incorporate ginger tea into your daily routine. It's as simple as slicing a piece of fresh ginger, adding it to boiling water, and letting it steep for a few minutes. You can drink it plain or add a bit of honey or lemon for extra flavor. And the best part, you can enjoy it at any time of the day. Remember, moderation is key. Drinking too much ginger tea can lead to side effects like heartburn or stomach upset. So, while it's a fantastic health booster, be sure to enjoy it in reasonable amounts. Drinking ginger tea regularly can do wonders for your health, so why not brew a cup today and give your body the care it deserves?